English to Success. Your path to success.
Welcome to this fun and easy story. Today you will learn English through a heartwarming story about a child who finds a lost puppy. You will see simple words and short sentences to help you understand. Let's start reading.
Chapter 1. A Special Surprise. It is a bright and sunny morning. The birds are singing. The sky is blue. A little boy named Sam wakes up. He stretches his arms and looks outside. "I want to play in the park today," Sam says. Sam eats his breakfast. He puts on his shoes. He opens the door and steps outside. The street is quiet. The trees move gently in the wind. Then Sam sees something. It is small and brown. It is hiding near the bushes. Sam walks closer. "What is that?" he asks. "It is a puppy." The puppy is shaking. It looks scared. Its fur is dirty, and it has big, sad eyes. "Oh no, are you lost?" Sam says softly. The puppy looks at Sam. It wags its tail a little. Sam kneels down and holds out his hand. "Don't be scared," Sam whispers. The puppy sniffs Sam's hand. Then it licks his fingers. Sam smiles. "You are so cute," Sam says. "But where is your home?" Sam looks around. There is no one else on the street. The puppy does not have a collar. Sam thinks for a moment. "I will help you find your home," he says. Chapter 2. Asking for Help. Sam picks up the puppy gently. The puppy is light and warm. It rests in Sam's arms. "First, let's go to my house," Sam says. Sam takes the puppy inside. He gives it a small bowl of water. The puppy drinks quickly. Then, Sam finds an old towel and cleans the puppy's fur. "There, now you look better," Sam says. The puppy wags its tail. It looks happy. Sam's mother sees the puppy. "Oh, where did you find this little one?" she asks. "I found him near the bushes. I think he is lost," Sam says. His mother nods. "We should help him find his owner," Sam thinks. "I will ask the neighbors." He picks up the puppy again. The puppy licks Sam's cheek. Sam giggles. Chapter 3. The Search Begins. Sam walks to his neighbor, Mrs. Green. She is in her garden watering the flowers. "Good morning, Mrs. Green," Sam says. "Good morning, Sam," she says. "Who is this little friend?" "I found this puppy. Do you know who it belongs to?" Sam asks. Mrs. Green shakes her head. "No, I don't, but maybe Mr. Lee knows." "Thank you, Mrs. Green," Sam says. Sam walks to Mr. Lee's store. Mr. Lee sells fruit and bread. He is putting apples in a basket. "Hello, Mr. Lee," Sam says. "Hello, Sam." "Oh, what a cute puppy," Mr. Lee says. "I found him this morning." "Do you know who lost a puppy?" Sam asks. Mr. Lee thinks. "I don't know, but maybe Mrs. Patel at the bakery knows." "Thank you, Mr. Lee," Sam says. Sam walks to the bakery. The smell of fresh bread fills the air. "Hello, Mrs. Patel," Sam says. "Hello, Sam. What do you have there?" she asks. "I found this puppy. Do you know who lost him?" Mrs. Patel smiles. "I don't know, but you should try the park. Many people walk their dogs there." "That's a great idea. Thank you, Mrs. Patel," Sam says. Chapter 4. A Clue in the Park. Sam runs to the park. The puppy barks softly. It seems excited. "Do you know this place?" Sam asks. There are many people in the park. Some are playing, some are walking. Sam looks around. Then he sees a little girl. She looks sad. She is holding a small collar in her hand. Sam walks over. "Hello, are you okay?" The girl looks up. "I lost my puppy," she says. Sam's heart beats fast. "What does your puppy look like?" he asks. "He is small. He has brown fur. He has big eyes," she says. Sam looks at the puppy. The puppy looks at the girl. Then the puppy jumps out of Sam's arms. "Max!" the girl shouts. The puppy runs to her. It wags its tail and licks her face. The girl laughs and hugs the puppy. "Oh, Max, I missed you so much," she says. Sam smiles. "So his name is Max?" Yes, thank you for finding him, she says. You're welcome, I am happy to help, Sam says. The girl's mother walks over. Thank you so much for bringing Max back, she says. No problem, Sam says. The girl looks at Sam. You are a good friend. Do you want to play with us? She asks. Sam smiles. Yes, let's play. Chapter 5. A Happy Ending. Sam plays with the girl and Max. They throw a ball. Max runs and catches it. Everyone laughs and has fun. After some time, Sam says, I have to go home now. The girl hugs Max. Say bye to Sam, Max barks and wags his tail. Sam pets Max's head. Bye, Max. Stay safe. Sam walks home. He feels happy. He helped someone today. He made a new friend, and he had a great adventure. When he gets home, his mother smiles. Did you find the owner? Yes, a little girl lost him. She was so happy to see Max again, Sam says. His mother hugs him. I'm proud of you. You were kind and helpful today. Sam smiles. He feels warm inside. He knows that small acts of kindness can make a big difference. That night, Sam goes to bed. He dreams about Max, the little girl, and the fun day they had. It was a wonderful day. This was a great story. Today, you learned English about pets, places, and helping others. Keep reading and learning more English. See you next time.